Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Mellow CloudAlign Pillow Orthopedic Memory Foam. So you might be wondering, what is the Mellow CloudAlign Pillow that you may be hearing or seeing online? Now, the Mellow CloudAlign Pillow is an orthopedic memory foam pillow designed to support your head, neck, and shoulder while you sleep. Now, according to the official website here, it's built with a dual height ergonomic design that helps keep your spine aligned whether you're asleep on your side, back, or stomach. Now, the pillow uses a contoured shape instead of a traditional flat design, with dedicated support zones intended to reduce pressure on the neck and shoulders throughout the night. Now, one of the main features of the CloudAlign pillow here is its switch fit dual height system. Now, one side measures approximately 3.5 inches high, while the opposite side measures 4.3 inches, allowing you to flip the pillow depending on your preferred level of neck support. Now, this pillow is made with shape retaining memory foam on the OEKO Tex certified breathable cover and built-in shoulder relief contour that gives side sleepers more room for their shoulders. Now, the company also says the cover is removable, machine washable, and designed to stay cool during sleep. Now, at the time of visiting their website, the official website lists the pillow at around $49.99, discounted from the regular price of $100. It includes a 30-day trial with hassle-free returns. Now, using the CloudAlign pillow here is quite simple. You just choose the side that feels comfortable for your body. Now, if you prefer more neck support or have broader shoulders here, try the higher side here. Now, if you like lower sleeping position or mainly sleep on your back or stomach, use the lower side. Position your head in the center contour and allow your neck to rest naturally on the raised support area. Now, unlike traditional pillows here, the manufacturer says there's no need to fluff or fold the pillow because the memory foam is designed to maintain its shape throughout the night. Now, the outer cover can be removed and machine washed as needed, while the memory foam core should only be spot cleaned. Now, in this case, the company also provides a simple size guide here. Regular version is recommended for people under 5 feet and 7 inches tall, while the high version is intended for those above 5 feet and 7 inches. Now, this is meant to help match the pillow height to your body size for better alignment during sleep. But that's about it. Now, if you really intend on buying this product here, it is highly recommended that you do your own research and view reviews outside the website here and consult people who actually bought the product here just to make sure that you or the product that you're buying here is worth your money. Now, that is, in this case, compatible or that's advisable for any kind of products that you're buying online. But that's about it. So for this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.